Hi everyone, welcome to the Ontario Construction News Daily Podcast. The province is investing $27 million in carpentry training programs to address the growing demand for skilled workers in the construction industry. And the Hazel McCallion Line in Brampton and Mississauga is set to expand, offering faster and more convenient public transit options for commuters in the region. Ontario is investing $27 million in carpentry training programs across the province. This funding will support a new training centre in Sudbury and upgrades to 4 existing centres in London, Windsor, Cambridge, and Ottawa, aiming to train an additional 2,600 carpenters and construction workers. The investment includes up to $14 million for the UBCJA's Workforce Development Program, which will train up to 1,450 workers across industries including manufacturing and healthcare. Ontario is moving ahead with plans to extend the Hazel McCallion Line into downtown Brampton and Mississauga. The new underground section will connect the transit line to the heart of one of Canada's fastest-growing cities, offering fast, affordable, and reliable transit for thousands of daily commuters. The extension will offer key connections to GO Transit, Brampton Transit, ZUM, and MeWay routes, helping to reduce congestion and improve commute times. Planning and design work for the extensions in Brampton and Mississauga are now underway, and will include various environmental studies and public engagement opportunities. The Hazel McCallion Line is part of a broader $70 billion investment in public transit across the province. In Simcoe County, the Lakehead University's Orillia campus received a $15 million funding commitment over the next decade from the county. The investment will go towards expanding the campus, allowing for more teaching areas, an Indigenous Learning Center, and a centralized student hub. The expansion is expected to increase the student population from 2,100 to 3,500. Lakehead University currently contributes $328 million to Orillia's economy annually. The university is working with stakeholders to ensure new programs align with the region's economic needs. On January 9th, Jason Burgraff, the executive director of the Greater Ottawa Home Builders Association, addressed the Standing Committee on Finance and Economic Affairs at Queen's Park. He celebrated Tuesday's announcement of $10.9 billion in funding for energy efficiency, specifically the Home Renovation Savings Program. However, he suggested that energy performance labeling through the EnerGuide rating system should be required for every home sold to improve consumer choice and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Burgraff also emphasized the need for focusing development charges on growth-related projects and ensuring they are spent appropriately. Additionally, he highlighted the importance of harmonizing and streamlining the approvals process across municipalities to reduce costs and increase efficiency. Burgraff concluded by emphasizing that housing policy is fiscal policy and thanked the committee for their time. Calgary's construction industry is launching a program called Tailgate Toolkit to support workers struggling with substance use. The $283,000 program will offer training and resources to connect workers with recovery services and promote safer workplaces. The program is part of the city's mental health and addiction strategy and will help workers address substance use with compassion. It emphasizes the city's commitment to improving work conditions in the construction sector and fostering a culture of well-being and support within the industry. And that wraps up the news highlights for today, January 28th, 2025. We covered stories about investments in construction training, transit extensions, campus expansions, energy efficiency, and worker well-being. If you've enjoyed this podcast, please subscribe to the Ontario Construction News Daily Podcast wherever you get your podcasts. And remember, this podcast was created with the help of AI, so if you have any feedback, please feel free to reach out. Thanks for listening, and have a great day.